Mario Run. Level 2, yay! So let's get started. You see, come on, little things. This is my second video of Mario Run. Remember I played this, I think, about a couple of weeks ago, I think. Around like a couple of weeks ago. I played all the drawings and it's fun as the game is over. Okay, I wanna see. Okay, the game. I can do a series if I want. Get a star. Well, I'm getting much better than I did before. Before I used to get stuck there like I used to get stuck nothing because it was very silly. I didn't know whether to jump right too high or too low. It was very silly, but now with my superior tiny little detective skills, I can finally do it. Little coins. Come on, got the star there. Yes, no! The last one. You can jump high because the block is like way too long for you to jump over. The star. Collecting these star coins from Mario Bros 2 or Bros U. Kind of like them star coins or DS. I don't know if they have them, but we do have friends with these green clocks. They don't in the new ones. But Mario Run, an app like I played recently. I think I need another channel. I think it was that one there. I played I don't want to risk it. If I click that little hat thing, it's going to open me up millions of websites that we wait too long to close, and then I have to do that. Just like you saw me playing Mario on just infinite websites all over again. And it took me 3 minutes to even start the round. I feel like I can do this. No, I just... Thanks for checking out. See you later. Bye.